Ladies and gentlemen, what is that? What's name about this track? If you know about this track, please comment. Yeah. Now I'm gonna show you ruler. Yes, ruler track. So road ruler. Yeah, this yellow color, full yellow color. Now, yeah, drum track, mini drum track, guys. So under construction, mini drum tracks, engineering equipment. Wow, this is one more ruler. Yeah, road ruler, ruler track. So very amazing. Yeah, this. Yeah, what is that, guys? Vacu. So power vacuum, yellow and black color. Wow. It's a very powerful engineering equipment, guys, under construction. Yeah, it's a powerful Baku. Wow. As you can see, guys, what is that? I don't know. This is ready mixer, concrete ready mixer, construction, engineering track. Yeah, this is like same. Oh, lost at this. I'm sorry, guys, it's broke already. Okay, now this is drum track. Yeah, under contractor drum track. We have a lots of track. Yeah, as you can see. Hey guys, if you like this video, please like, comment, share with your family and with your friends. Yeah, it's a very interesting track we have it now. Thank you so much for staying with us. Bye bye, tata.